A new study has raised serious concerns about the quality of air we breathe in Delhi. Researchers say the city's air contains high levels of antibiotic-resistant superbugs, posing growing public health risks. The study has been conducted by Jawaharlal Nehru University. It examined indoor and outdoor air samples across multiple locations. Sir, this superbug story, it's very worrisome. Your opening comments, sir.
No, I think you have raised a very, very pertinent question. And particularly when the superbugs, we find antibiotic resistant genes in the air, polluted air, to which we all are exposed right now in Delhi and many other cities in the country. So I think we need to have a deeper look into that. The causes lie in the humans, causes lie in the overuse, misuse, disuse, and rather than having the antibiotics prescribed by the doctors, as Madam has rightly said. But we have n number of ways in which antibiotics are being used rampantly, not only in the human sector but in animal sector also. Pharmacies are discharging polluted antibiotic contamination in the environment, and if we look at the environment in which to which we are exposed, we are finding these resistant. And when we look at the air polluted, they PM 2.5, that is the one which is affecting our lungs.
There are superbugs in air. So imagine if you have microplastics in air, if you have superbugs in air, then we are really looking at a medical crisis. And this can only be combated at the level of the society. This comes just 6 days after Prime Minister Modi warned how the misuse of antibiotics is paving way for superbugs by creating resistance to drugs.
आज मैं एक ऐसे मुद्दे पर बात करना चाहता हूं जो हम सभी के लिए चिंता का विषय बन गया है। आईसीएमआर यानी इंडियन काउंसिल ऑफ मेडिकल रिसर्च ने हाल ही में एक रिपोर्ट जारी की है। इसमें बताया गया है कि निमोनिया और यूटीआई जैसी कई बीमारियों के खिलाफ एंटीबायोटिक दवाएं कमजोर साबित हो रही हैं। हम सभी के लिए यह बहुत ही चिंताजनक है। रिपोर्ट के मुताबिक इसका एक बड़ा कारण लोगों द्वारा बिना सोचे समझे एंटीबायोटिक दवाओं का सेवन है। एंटीबायोटिक ऐसी दवाएं नहीं हैं जिन्हें यूं ही ले लिया जाए। इनका इस्तेमाल डॉक्टर की सलाह से ही करना चाहिए।